Hi guys, today I'm just popping in to show you a tutorial on how to make these little tassels from embroidery skeins. I'm currently using these tassels in a project I'm making, so I thought I'd pop in while I'm doing it. I'm photographing it all now ready for the tutorial, so I thought I'd pop in with a little video of how to make these tassels, and then once the post is ready I'll pop the video on the post too. So I'm just using an ordinary cotton embroidery skein, but you can use glitter, you could use metallic if you wanted. I'm just using ordinary cotton today though. So first of all, you need just a small length, a length of thread. This is 12 inches. Just pull it from the end of the skein you're using about 12 inches out, and then you're going to want to cut that in half. So you have two 6-inch lengths of thread. Then take one and we're just going to tie it around the end at the top here. So not too far from the top, you can see I'm just going to use that as a guide for this one. So you tie it once here. So obviously I'm using quite autumny colours here, and you can use any colours you would like. The project I'm doing is a bit of an autumn project, so we have to prep early those cross stitches, don't we? So I'm tying it once there and then flicking it over, and I'm going to tie this side as well, just so it stays put. And then I'm going to do the top the same again. This is so easy and quick, guys. I love tassels too. I always feel a bit awkward doing a tutorial, especially live. I'm like, you guys are just watching me tie knots. So tied it there. And then at the bottom. And then that's the ends done. Now we need to cut the middle. So what I do is I kind of fold it in half, and then I just pull my skeins down, my casings down a bit, and I try and get them in the middle-ish. And then I keep checking. That one needs to come down a little bit. And I don't go all the way to the middle. Just go to about there. They don't have to be perfect. You can trim them once you're done if you want them all the exact same size. So you literally just cut in half. So I'm using DMC thread. You can use any embroidery thread, Anchor, or any others you have. Cut it in half and just pull the casing off, and then you're done. Then you have a tassel. Now these are a bit long. I think I might trim these. I'm not sure yet. It depends what the finished project kind of looks like. I might trim them up a bit, they are very long. And also, like, you have these from your knots. You can snip them off if you want. You can try and see if they'll be part of the tassel once you've snipped it. Or I might need these to attach them to my project. So I'm going to have to see if I'm going to use these to attach or use a loop to attach. I'm not sure yet. I've not got that far. I'm just making the tassels. But yeah, obviously I'll take the other one off. And if, like you said, oh, actually, I'm just going to show you this, guys. You'll have a little bit that you'll need to take off. Yeah, you just will. And there'll probably be one on this one, but it might be at the top. Oh, it's not on this one. My other ones had a short piece too that I needed to pull off. Anyway, you might have a little short piece on each that you need to pull off. So yeah, if they're not the same size, you can... Yeah, I did not do very well with that, did I? I'll trim them. But my other ones that I didn't do on video, pretty similar size. You can obviously spend a bit longer getting them the right size if you want to before you cut it. Or you can just trim them when you're done to make them all the same size. So yeah, that's just a little tutorial for you guys that I thought I'd share now before the project comes out. They're going to be like in a little pattern. I can't wait to see what it looks like. I you know, when you do something in your head and then you have to kind of make it to make sure it's going to look right before you tell anyone. But that's what I'm doing today, making sure it all looks good, and then I will share it on the blog with you guys once it's done. So I hope you're having a lovely Saturday, and I hope you find some use to make some for these tassels. I mean, you can literally just put a keyring on and make a little keyring. You can put them on lots of things. But yeah, I'll share that blog post with you in a couple of weeks. So I'll speak to you soon. Bye.